Yo, cops, New York. Oh! Wasn't ready for that. My man's out here throwing bows. We got multiple. Oh. Boom, boom. My man in the pink. I mean, I guess he can wear pink if he can throw hands like that. Law enforcement is having a really tough time dealing with this individual. Looks like they might be kind of asking for mercy, and he is going to go about his way. If he was really determined, he'd pop that curb. Oh, nope, never mind. He's just like, I'm not dealing with you guys right now. Not ready. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Hit the like, subscribe to the page, hit the bell if you're on Instagram, hit the bell if you're on YouTube. We gotta beat the algorithm, right? The goal is to make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous, right? So we've got a traffic stop here that I want to go into, and at first I was not even gonna do this one, right? But I just want you guys to see something here. This is the difference between someone who is inoculated and experienced in fighting, dealing with people who just generally are not. I mean, I don't know, if you guys know anyone in these situations, hit me up. I know that these officers have protocols. I know that these officers have standard operational procedures, but what I'm gonna illuminate here is it really looks like, call me crazy, they got really caught off guard. Yes, this individual's bigger. Yes, this individual's stronger than it looks like a lot of them, maybe. But this looks like the difference between people who understand fighting and people who don't understand how to achieve a high level of violence. Something that I always try to talk to my teams about when I deal with professional protectors or anyone who, law enforcement or executive protection agents like myself, especially at my school, is look, man, your uniform's not going to protect you. Your badge is not going to protect you when it's time to be violent. This is something Tim Larkin talks about a lot, man. When violence is the answer, there is no other answer. It's time to be violent. And violence is a tool, right? Some people use it for bad reasons, and some people use it to protect the innocent. And in a situation like this, you must be, if you especially are a professional protector, able to achieve a high level of violence in an instant when the time comes. Now, what we see here is, how these guys get defeated. Ambush, attack the attacker. I would guarantee you that there are target indicators that this guy is about to get violent. He is getting out of his car. I don't know if they asked him to get out of his car, but I don't think they asked him to get out of his car. If you're asking someone, if you're having a conversation with someone, they're getting out of their car, it's a good time to put some distance between you and that individual, because you don't know what they're gonna do. You don't know what they have in their hands. You don't know, right? So this is a good time to go ahead and back up, make some distance. This guy looks like he's bigger than you. You should have cased that before he got out of the vehicle, right? Now he's standing up, and now without distance to give you the safety to where he has to come towards you, or to give you a second to get to your firearm or your less lethal or whatever it is, he's right up on top of you. And now ba-boom, 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 first guy's going down, pulls up his pants. One more indicator that these individuals do not understand violence. What is violence? Violence is a race. The reason we use violence as good guys is we want to change behavior. What do you see here, right? Someone's attacking you with a gun, a knife, or whatever it is. A lot of people would say to eliminate the threat. Sometimes that is the goal, but it really depends on your format. I'd say for these law enforcement officers, and anytime we want to use violence, it's not necessarily to take a life, it's to change that behavior. It's to get that threat to stop being threatening, right? I never want to take a life. So, as you see here, this officer runs up behind him, completely has the element of surprise. And what does he do? He hits him in his back. This is not how you change behavior, and it's definitely not how you add damage, put damage into this individual's body to cause submission, right? Great opportunity there to utilize a less lethal option. Great opportunity to maybe pull out a firearm, or maybe pull out something that will force compliance, right? And outgun this person, take the tactical advantage over this person, right? So, maybe, these guys, and much respect to them, obviously we have the luxury of armchair quarterback in this situation, but Looks like this guy didn't know how to use his tools. Looks like this guy, I commend him for stepping in and trying to do something, but looks like he didn't know how to use his tools. He didn't know what to do, and so he just hit him in the back, right? I commend my man for getting up and getting back in there. Boom, 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 boom. But the water's a little too deep for him. And then this guy's got some backup. Red hat guy hops into the fray, but the juggernaut in pink is literally giving these officers the business, and there's nothing they can do to subdue him, control the dynamic. And honestly, if he wanted to do more to them, I'm sure he could have, based on the level of violence he's achieving and the tools he has in his hands to go on ahead and deal with them. That is a tragedy. We need our professional protectors to be more equipped to deal with things like this. You as a civilian need to be more equipped to deal with these things, because why? Security and the art of protection, understanding protection, it is the one skill you have, the one inalienable right you have that allows you to do and protect and experience and enjoy everything you're enjoying today. So go over to protectornation.com, download our free training guide, learn from some of the best in the industry, myself included, but there's like about 15 of the best in the game. We talk about all these different things. You can start getting the software from the comfort of your own home right now. Hit the link in my bio or go to protectornation.com to download that. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. We're gonna make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Boom!